Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear history in Google Play Store. First, you just need to open your Google Play Store on your device, then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From here you will find this personalization in Play. So tap on it, and from here you will find this play history option here. Simply tap on it. Now from here you can just delete, or you can find that status that it is saving history from the very beginning. You can just tap on it and get the details about the saving, that the data that it start saving and still saving the data from your Google Play Store. So you can also delete activity older than 18 months. From here you can just select the 18 months here, and then simply tap on next button here, and you can just easily delete that all that activity that you have made before 18 months. So here you can find the all the story, all the history here that according to the date. Here is today's history on my Play Store. So if you want to delete a specific day's history, then you can just tap on the cross icon at the beside of the date, then tap on delete, and here you can see deleting now, and it's saying that deletion complete. So that's how you can just edit and delete the story on your Google Play Store. You just need to tap on got it, and you are all good to go. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.